Hello guys, this is series 3 installing OpenSUSE lib on this machine. I have already device at number 0 or number 1. This is SSD 256 gig, and I have number 1 or number 2. This is SAS 600 gigs. I think I don't want to put something on this, but I would like to know that operating system will detect the two of the hard drive. I want to install the lib on the first hard drive of this 0. So let's do it now. I choose this one. I already boot to the USB flash disk. If you want to know how to boot to the flash disk, see the video number 1. Before this, we have series. I don't know how series will be. So check on this video, boot on the flash disk on my Sun storage server. Now I choose the OpenSUSE lib. Okay, I enter. It will be detected, yeah. Okay, now I choose installation. They will loading Linux kernel to the memory. They load the basic driver here, so it's not yet finished. I will not cut this video, so you can see and you can calculate approximately the time you want to install this server. It's not take long, but you will see the whole process of this installation. They detecting the network configuration. test the process, I will bring my mouse here. Okay, it's detected now. I will choose agree, the language English, keyboard English. I think it's okay. Next. The network is detected. Network 0, 1. I don't have two network here. This one 2, 3 and 4. And USB. I don't know what this is. I think it's completely okay for the network. Enough. I no problem with this. They say it's not connected. It's okay. I will continue. Okay. So in this one, there are several tools if you want to install with the desktop KDE, desktop GNOME, desktop XFCE, generic desktop server, and transactional server. In transactional server is like a server role but use read-only root file system, provide automatically update of a system without interfering with the running system. Small set of package suitable for server with text mode interface. If you choose this, you will only have text based, but for the first time I would like to install with my XFCE. So I choose this one. I choose next. They will split the configuration of this here by default. They will create swap to gig, and they will create BIOS boot partition XMB, and then will create a root with the BTRFS 236 gig. So I will choose by default in this configuration without mess up or change the configuration. I choose next. I choose the country because I am live on Jakarta. I use Jakarta. So I put the name and the password here. Okay, this is some choose if you want to use this password word system administrator. Yes, this is the automatic login. I disable this because I don't want to automatically login on this system. Okay, I choose next. Really use password too simple? Yeah, it's okay because it's only testing. I will change the password regularly. The booting, the software. So I will enable SSH to remote this machine. I will open SSH. Then I think this is enough. Firewall will be enabled. First time I will disable. Because I want to test it this one without any headache at the front. So but this is the already enabled, so I leave it as a default. Firewall will be enable, SSH will be enable, port SSH will be open, and I will change the port later on. Now we'll install. They will blinking in the red in the light here, I see, but I don't know if you can see this. It will be going fast because this is SSD, and from the flash disk, not if you have experience with the DVD-ROM or the CD-ROM, it will take much more longer than when you use the USB flash disk. So it already 11 minutes, but it's okay. So you can calculate how long you will be take if you want to install OpenSUSE on this server. So after installing this, I will cut out the video and I will remote. If you want, I want to install something, I will remote from other computer, so I am not touch this again. The server on front on the monitor and the keyboard if not necessary. So I will remote from text base, so CLI command line interface. It's 12% already. 1,500 package will be installed and will be reduced. According this will be take 36 minutes, yeah, but we'll see. The hard disk here, I already 2 hard drive. First with SATA drive, second with SAS drive. Here is a combine. I use the SATA for SSD. I use also SAS for these two. This is 600 SAS drive. Not yet configured. As you see on the front, it's not detected as hard drive here. But I will check later on the CLI mode that this will be detected or not detected yet. $1,200 already package installed. This is not yet connected to the internet. When you already plug to the internet before the installation, it will be detected the internet is connected already, so it will be download the latest application from the net. But because this is not connected to the internet, there will be always installing all from my flash disk. Later on, if we connect it to the internet for the server, there will be download from the cloud and installing to the server. The cloud, I mean from the internet, yeah, the server of the OpenSUSE. So why I'm choosing OpenSUSE? Why? Because the server, this is not much operating system by default installing to the server. Only several operating system. First, of course, Solaris. Second one, Red Hat. The third one is OpenSUSE. I'm not trying this one to installing Ubuntu, but later on maybe I will try to installing Ubuntu on the server. So I will also put the video on this channel, the list of OpenSUSE, the list of Sun Microsystem playlist, because it is the same machine, yeah. So I will install also the Ubuntu server on this machine. Maybe later on I will install also FreeBSD maybe later on I will install also OpenBSD and a good server on the net to installing, to testing to this server. So everybody, if you have this kind of server, you have also have see to my video first before you install it and before you commit to install the server or the operating system on this machine. But for sure, this is a good machine in my opinion, because the first time I known about this Sun Microsystem is around between 2005 then until 2010 ya, or 2009, between that year. I know this Sun Microsystem is a good server at that moment, before it's buy by Oracle, is bought by Oracle, but I love Sun Microsystem, so I buy, even this is the already old one, but I'm still buy this kind of the server. Several server on the store is also available, like IBM, Dell, maybe Supermicro. I have Supermicro one in the office, but I choose Sun machine because Sun is also interface create the best ZF CFS file system that before other corporate thinking about that. Sun already created the good file system. Maybe some of you, if you don't know about the file system, you don't know about the ZFS, but you can browse on the Wikipedia, so you can know and you can read what kind of ZFS. But on this installation, I'm not using ZFS because this is on the operating system. I use BTRFS. Why? Because BTRFS the latest file system that support the snapshot also. But later on I will also try to use ZFS on the other. This year I already buy the kind of the place of the food candy to put the hard drive. I already buy 3 of them, so I will put on the this machine later on to test the file system. ZFS maybe also another a good file system to test it. I buy also the server. It's not about the newest technology because this is old, but because the Sun Microsystem, I buy this server. I buy in the Indonesia, store, some store that if you're looking on the marketplace, Sun Microsystem server is not much that buying this server. So I think I'm very lucky to this kind of the server to test it, how to install the server, because this is a personally is mine. It's not office server, is mine. So I will test everything on my capability to this machine. It's still on progress. Sorry for late, but I will also show you how long to install this kind of the all application using flash disk. It's already 300 package almost done to be installed, and now already 200. After that, installing finish, I will cut the video and see you in the next part of the video, starting the first one, the OpenSUSE without flash disk, because it are already 20 minutes, so when I'm combined with the other video it will be take long. Again, if you boring with this kind of the video, you can fast forward this video until this is the end of video. It's still 200 package more will be installed. I think when we install the small one, is not install everything, because I think here they install Firefox on CLE mode, Firefox not working, then it should be not install the application. So because this is I choose XFCE, it take more longer than usual if you install the server mode like CLI mode. Still waiting, 183. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you interested with the server, operating system, programming, etc. Also my daily activity I put on my only one channel. I know it's something not relevant to you, but other than I create another channel, so I just doing this for hobby, to put my activity later on, so everybody can learn from my channel. If you want to learn about everything on my knowledge about the server configuration, the server manage the server, everything about the IT infrastructure, then etc. This is we have still left for blank. I'm not sure this is also available to insert on this, because I read on the PDF, if you have this you're not able to install on this side, but I will try later on. Yeah, I hope this will also possible to fill the hard drive here, so I have much hard drive to install this machine. So if you want to know about this, the blank is like this, yeah. So the tray is like this. So if you buy the filler, it will be not like this. I show you when my hard disk tray, this is here. But I see in the back also SATA, so I think it's also possible to install SATA. But in this one I see also SATA. I think this is possible, yeah, I hope. And my opinion is also possible to put SATA on the filler here. So when I'm able to pull all, I have 8 drive on the server. So I also 2 terabyte of hard drive that's combined between SSD, but not more, only 8 gig I think SSD, and the rest is platter or disk. It's done to install it now. Configuration I already 24 minutes. The system will be reboot at the 6 seconds. Okay guys, thank you. Now finishing the installing, it will be reboot. See you in the next video.